Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm cooking tofu and eggs. Silken tofu. This is the type of tofu that I'm cooking. The silken tofu. You can also use the firm if you like. And this is what it looks like here. And I got me some eggs, 2 eggs that I have beaten up. I'm going to put a little bouillon in there. And I want to add me some green onions in mine. You can add them in it or you can add them on top. I'm just going to put a few frozen one in there. Bring it to a boil. And I like to go ahead and add my tofu while it's boiling. That look good. You can add salt, excuse me, or anything that you want to it right at this point. You know, you season it. Sometimes I add a little soy sauce. Depends on how I'm feeling or what my taste is. To me, that's enough right there. I might add a little soy sauce. Y'all look what I got at. Hot sauce. I think I'm just going to add a dab. 2 drops of soy sauce. That's enough to have the tofu cooked enough. And just add my eggs. And you stir it up. I'm going to turn it down. I think I put too much in there. And just let it steam. As y'all see, I changed into another pot. And I'll get back with y'all for the next step. After it steam, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. There you go, y'all. Just moving around. Eggs and tofu. I put some, as y'all saw, I put some green onions in there. I think I'm going to eat all of that. I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to eat half of it. Because I'm not hungry. Got this meat sauce that I warmed up. Look at there. Put that over it. I'm doing the best I can to get up this container. Man, that gravy is so good. Y'all go to my video and y'all will see how I made it. Look at that. Don't that look good? It's hot, but it's so good. See, this sauce got a little spice. I remember I put that Scotch bonnet in there. Take some of that meat. Should have added a little more gravy to it. Y'all, this so good. Look at that. Y'all gonna have to try this. Steamed egg and silken tofu. Again, if y'all want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys later. I'm finna go eat. I appreciate y'all.